Interiors. We've got a bit of a treat for you today. We bought these mannequins and started playing around with the mouldings, and this is what we've got. We've been using some of the new steampunk designs that are coming in very soon. So what I'm going to do is, because there's a lot of work in this, I'm going to base paint her, and we have decided with Sam here, haven't we, Sam? Sam's the cameraman today.
Hi guys.
That we're going to paint her all rusty, so we're going to do all in browns and blacks. I've mixed some French heat paints here, and then in episode 2 and 3, depending on how long it takes me to paint her, we're going to do her all turquoise and gold. So we're going to start. So I was just testing to see how the paint sits on the mannequin. That will now sit in that position. I don't think I need to glue it to the surface. Can everybody see what I'm doing?
They can.
Yeah. I don't need to glue it to the surface, just there maybe to cover up that, so we just like to put a bit of glue there.
Try it now.
Yeah. That's it. few thoughts with you on this lady here. We're going to turn her into a mermaid. It's going to be a long project, but it's going to be a fun one, so we're going to enjoy it. So I just wanted to tell you what I'm thinking of doing. So obviously this part here is going to be the tail, and I was thinking of doing it with this stuff, getting a frame going from the knees down, and then I think I'm going to use some kind of very light Hessian. See you soon guys, thanks for watching, bye!